spectroscopy is principal characteristics of group frequency in IR, that is the factors influencing carbonyl stretching frequency. The two factors discussed here are inductive effect and mesomeric effect. Inductive effect is an electronic effect and mesomeric effect is a resonance effect. In inductive effect, you see this in the figure, that is the inductive effect, the presence of a electron withdrawing or an electron donating group attached to the carbonyl carbon causes a shift in frequency. That is, this shift in frequency is, that is the if an electronegative group X is an electronegative group attached to the carbonyl carbon, this carbonyl bond, C double bond O bond, the bond strength increases, that is the force constant increases, hence the carbonyl stretching frequency increases due to the presence of a group having minus I effect. That is the example, the position of the absorption of the carbonyl group in a saturated acyclic ketone which occurs near 1720 per centimeter is regarded as its normal frequency. Deviation from this absorption position may be correlated with the influence of electronic or steric effect which arise from the nature of the substituents attached to the carbonyl group. Inductive and mesomeric effects associate with the groups attached to the carbonyl shift significantly the carbonyl absorption in carbonyl compounds like ketone, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, anhydride, ester, acyl halides, lactones, amides, lactams, etc. This is inductive effect, that is minus I effect. Due to the minus I effect of this X atom, the electrons to this carbon are attracted towards this halogen atom, and therefore this electron density around the oxygen atom is towards the carbon. So this C double bond O bond strength increases, hence the force constant increases, hence the carbonyl stretching frequency increases. But in this case there is decrease in carbonyl stretching frequency because it is due to mesomeric effect. That is, if X is a nitrogen atom, the lone pair electron of the nitrogen is shifted to this carbon, and corresponding there is a shift in carbonyl double bond, and oxygen becomes more electronegative. Due to the electronegativity of this oxygen atom, this oxygen attracted this bond pair electron towards this oxygen atom, hence this effect is called mesomeric effect. This effect reduces this carbon CO bond strength and hence decrease in force constant. Consequently, there is a decrease in carbonyl stretching frequency. That is, when X is an electron withdrawing group near the carbonyl group, increase the carbonyl stretching frequency. This increase is further enhanced by when the electron withdrawing substance is directly attached to the carbonyl carbon, as in acid chloride. That is, the inductive effect reduces the length of the carbonyl bond and thus increases the force constant. Consequently, an increase in frequency of absorption. Electron releasing groups such as amino and methyl group attached to the carbonyl tend to favor the polar contributing from B, that is in figure on B, by mesomeric effect, and thus lower the force constant and consequently the decrease in frequency of absorption. In amides, the mesomeric effect of the nitrogen lone pair is more important than inductive effect of nitrogen, and this leads to, that is, mesomeric effect overcome the inductive effects, and this leads to a decrease in frequency of carbonyl absorption. In esters, the inductive effect of oxygen causes an increase in frequency of absorption. These are the examples for the above statement. This is R is an alkyl group attached to an acyl halide. This if an acyl halogen atom is attached to a ketone, then that is a carbonyl compound. There is carbonate, that is halogen. Instead of this halogen, if this is a nitrogen atom, there is a decrease in frequency and a decrease in carbonyl absorption. Lower if conjugated, higher strained. If there are two methyl groups are attached, they are two electron donating, then it is highly strained, and this value is, that is due to the electron rich in at this position, there is repulsion of electron and lengthening of the bond, and therefore the bond length, the frequency is 1720. But if a halogen is attached to this position, this increases the carbonyl stretching frequency. If it is a fluorine, chlorine, that is about 1750. If it is a fluorine, again the carbonyl stretching frequency increases. In the case of acid chloride also, this is the halogen is directly attached to the carbonyl carbon. Here the halogen is attached to the neighboring carbon atom. Here also the intensity increases. In this case, the intensity of the frequency of absorption increases greater than that of these cases, that is, it is about 1800 per centimeter. In the case of an anhydride, there are two carbonyl groups, therefore two carbonyl stretching frequencies. One is at 1800 per centimeter and other is at 1750 per centimeter for these two carbonyl peaks. This increase in carbonyl frequency is due to the presence of this electronegative oxygen atom. In the case of amides, the nitrogen lone pair is in resonance with this carbonyl carbon, hence the frequency is decreased due to the weakening of the CO bond. Frequency is about 1650 to 1680 per centimeter due to this resonance. But if it is an oxygen atom attached to ester, in the case of ester, an oxygen is attached to the neighboring carbonyl carbon. Here the frequency of absorption is greater than that of amide, because oxygen is more electronegative than oxygen, hence the frequency increases. The next reason for carbonyl stretching, the next factor affecting the carbonyl stretching frequency is solvent effect. Solvent has also an influence on the carbonyl stretching frequency. Example, in the case of a methyl ethyl ketone, absorbs at 1715 per centimeter, normal case, but 10% solution of this ketone in methanol absorbs at 1706 due to hydrogen bonding, which decreases the frequency of absorption. In phenols also, the frequency of absorption is lowered at about 40 to 100 per centimeter when the spectrum of phenol is recorded in benzene solution than in carbon tetrachloride solution, because the phenol, the hydrogen atom of the hydroxyl group of phenol undergoes interaction with the pi electrons of the benzene, that is pi hydrogen bonded with this pi electrons of benzene, hence the frequency of absorption is lowered to 40 to 100 per centimeter. Physical state also influence the carbonyl stretching frequency. The physical state means in carboxylic acid we know that there is dimerization. Two carboxyl group dimerize to form a for example benzoic acid. In the case of benzoic acid, it exists as a dimer, that is the carbonyl carbon of carboxyl group form a hydrogen bond with the neighboring carboxylic acid, hydrogen atom of the neighboring carboxylic acid, and here also the second carbonyl carbon forms hydrogen bond with the first hydrogen of the carboxylic acid, and there hence it exists as a dimer. This dimerization causes the lowering of the carbonyl stretching frequency. And this is the case of acetone. Acetone in liquid state has lower carbonyl stretching frequency because of dipole-dipole association, but in vapor state its carbonyl frequency increases due to the escape from this dipole-dipole association. So here this is the weak polar forces, that is known as dipole-dipole association in this case, and here is dimerization due to hydrogen bonding. These two, this is the physical state, this is in solid state, this occurs. Here also in this association occurs in liquid state, which causes lowering of frequency, and in vapor state its frequency is about 1742 per centimeter, and in liquid state it is about 1718 per centimeter. This is due to this association. Here the dimer of carboxylic acid, due to hydrogen bonding, its frequency decreases to 1700 per centimeter than its monomer. Monomer has a carbonyl frequency 1760 per centimeter.